Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Kingston Spring Road. We just passed the intersection of Kingston Spring Road and Dunrobin Avenue. We are heading towards Manor Park. And this bus just stopped to pick up passengers. And you see they just stopped in the road. This car right here just stopped in the road to go buy something. And unfortunately, that's how it's done in Jamaica. People just stop in the road, block up the lane, and just don't care. And most times they don't even get a ticket. So that's why it keeps happening. Alright, well, we're on Kingston Spring Road. On the left is the Consumer Plaza. And then here it is again. How hard is it for this truck to go into the plaza and do what they have to do? But they choose to stop on the road and block up the plaza and block the road. No, here's another bus. It just happens all the time. It's like a regular daily occurrence. Now this is something I guess we didn't take into account. There is a bus stop. There is no place for the bus to stop other than the main road to access the bus stop. I don't know. Why would they build a road like that? Now here, this is not a bus stop, but people just stand up and the bus stop because they're standing up there to see if they want to get on. Okay, on the left, on the right now, you can see there's another bus stop and there is a lane for the bus to pull off the main road so it doesn't block the road and drop off and pick up the people. So you can see that green bus getting back onto the road. So this bus, I don't know, they just literally stopped. There is no bus stop there. But I guess they were just chatting with the people on the side of the road. Now on the right, you can see there is a third lane for the bus to pull off the road and access the bus stop. Okay, so now we're coming to the intersection where if we turn left, we go onto Central Avenue. If we turn right, we go onto Shortwood Road. If we go straight, we stay on Kingston Spring Road. Okay, there again, you see those two buses just stop in the road. Oh boy. See people coming off the bus. The indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica is unbelievable. Sometimes you have to see it to believe it. Okay, and see on the left again, there is another car who is reversing on a main road. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And as you can see, Kingston Spring Road is a very nice road. The government did an excellent job in building this or renovating this road. It was there before, but they fixed it up, put in a dual carriageway. Now on the left, that's another bus stop. But you see there's a space for the bus to pull off the road. There's a third lane. I don't get it. Why they just stop in the road? I mean, it's to pick up and drop off people, but I don't know. Okay, look on the right. There is another bus literally stopped in the road, blocking up that entire lane of traffic just to drop off and pick up people. Look at cars doing it. Regular cars. Okay, if we were to turn left here, we would go on to Mannings Hill Road, but we're staying on Kingston Spring Road, heading towards Manor Park. Now the government has built this very nice road. Dual carriageway, you have the concrete barricade, you have the lights, you have good signage, you have the painted white lines. And look at how the people use the road. There again, the bus just stopping in the road. That's just indiscipline. You have the nice road, everybody complain, and then when people use the road, they just stop anywhere they want. Do their own thing. Now this car has, it must be doing some road works. But it stopped in the middle of the road. Okay, they're doing road works. There again, the bus just stopped on the left. Now this lady flagged down the bus, and that's not even a bus stop. Okay, on the right is Hillman Road. If you turn left, you go on Constant Spring Road, and that plaza on the right is a Super Valley Town Center. It's a new plaza. Does very well because it follows the formula of a successful plaza. You have a very popular supermarket, large supermarket. You have food stores, and it's built in a populated area. So naturally it does well. Now the supermarket is Fresh Foods, and you have Wendy's over there, you have Domino's, you have Uncorked, you have a Chinese restaurant, you have an Indian restaurant, and it's built at one of the busiest places on Constant Spring Road. On the left is the Constant Spring, or the St. Andrew Revenue Center. Revenue Service Center, St. Andrew, that's the official name. But people just call it the Constant Spring Tax Office. Now if you turn right and go through that blue gate, that's Immaculate Conception High School. That's the #1 school in Jamaica. And where you see that silver car coming from, if you turn left there, you would go on into the Constant Spring Golf Club. And also that's the entrance to Pepper Time. Now on the left you have a Juicy Patty's location, and there's a football field over there. On the right is the Constant Spring Golf Club, the actual golf course. And on the left is the Constant Spring Police Station. And straight ahead where you see that pink building, that's the Powell Building. And that's named after General Colin Powell from the US. His parents were Jamaican, so then the US government owns that building, so they named the building after him. On the left is Manor Center, and if we turn right here, we go on to Oliver Road. Now straight ahead on the right, that's Discount Pharmacy. Now on the left, you're going to see open lot. It has the chain link fence. That's where the market used to be. But the market was very old and people never really used it much. So it was torn down, it was demolished, and I think a plaza is supposed to be built over there. But it's the government that owns the land, and I'm not sure what's going on with it, but they fenced it off to prevent people from squatting on the property. If anybody knows what's the status of the open lot over there, like is the project stalled, they're not doing it again, let us know. Leave a message in the comment section. But when the market was closed down, they did have plans to build something else over there. I'm not sure if COVID has delayed it or they stopped it or... Alright guys, so this is the Manor Park area. On the right, we just passed like a bus stop. That's where persons can get the bus. And if we go left here, we would go up into Stony Hill. But we're going to go right and go back onto Constant Spring Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.